Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to
Designs by Steffanie.
I am a Etsy shop owner and I am starting my studio vlog. Today I have a bunch of, well not a bunch of orders, I have like 5 orders I gotta get out, and I also have, excuse my print, I'm printing my orders. I have 5 orders to get out, and I also have some new stuff that I need to load onto Etsy. So just going to be working. You guys can watch it long and show you some of the stuff that I'm doing. So if you're interested in that, if you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Click on that little all when you click on the notification bell, or you won't get notified. I don't know why it's not automatically that way, but it's not with YouTube. So yeah, do that and you guys stay tuned. Okay, I got an order for 7 vinyl Faith Hope breast cancer vinyl decals. So I'm gonna make those 7 decals. 4 of them are the same, but then the rest are different, and they want them in pink and in orange. So I'm gonna do those. Okay, while I'm working on that order and letting it process, I'm going to get my next order ready. And I think I already have these printed. And ordered some Halloween stickers. I ordered both of these, one of each of these. So I don't have to print any of those. I have those already printed, so I'm just going to print the label up for those and get them packaged. Okay, I'm working on my 3rd and 4th order. My orders, I have 2 t-shirt orders, and they're custom orders. They're not on my Etsy shop. Well, you can do a custom order on my Etsy shop. So I have one I put it on the silhouette. I need to weed it. And then the other one I've actually already made, so I just have to package it. But it's a vote shirt for a Kappa, which is black fraternity. So it's a shirt that they saw somewhere. It's not my design, but it was my cousin sent it to me and asked me would I make it for him. So I said yes. It's similar to the one he sent me. It's not exactly the same because I don't have the same font as whatever that was. But this is the Kappa logo for the fraternity. And this is just print on peel. You don't have to, it's vinyl, you don't have to, just print it directly on the vinyl. I have some videos, I'll link it up here. I think it was my very first video, yeah, I did, I used it. And I have it linked below in case you want to try it. But I really like it. Like if I want to put somebody's picture or something on a t-shirt, I use that. And then I figured out how you can just use half of a portion of the sheet, so you can cut the sheet in 4s and just use it so you don't have to waste a whole sheet of paper. If you would like to see how I do that, comment below and let me know, and I can do a video on it, because it took me a long time to figure that out. And I was like, I can't keep wasting this paper. That paper is expensive. You get 50 sheets for like $50. So, and I want to get the most out of all of my stuff that I can. I don't like wasting vinyl. I don't like wasting any of it. And although vinyl isn't expensive as those sheets, those sheets are very, very, very expensive. And I order them off Amazon, and they do sell them at my little store that I go to get my vinyl. DSI Designs, I link that up there too. I did a video on them. They're here local in Atlanta. Well, they're in Norcross, but you can order online from them and they ship to anywhere. So, and this t-shirt just says to vote, and I'm printing some stickers for my other order because I didn't have them in stock, so now I gotta print. I don't print a whole lot of stuff in stock because I don't get sell a tremendous amount of stickers. I sell more so vinyl than anything else. So I weeded this out, and this, I forgot I had the camera pointed at me instead of on the desk, so you can't see it. So what I do, okay, ignore my junky workspace, but as I was saying, I have the thing and I use my weights to weigh it down, or I tape it down. I do either or, but it's easier for me to use this little table and I line it all up. I'm actually going to tape it. I'm looking for my masking tape and I don't know what in the world I've done with it. I probably should clean off my desk and I can find things, but I've just been busy. I've been getting a lot of orders for Christmas. Let me find my masking tape. I'm gonna have to use a piece of tape that I use on my what's-the-name board. But I line it up here. And I'm going to put some tape to hold that down. This for the ends. But I need this to be held down right here. So I keep tape on my cutting board for my silhouette. And I line those up how I wanted them, so they're straight. And then, so this is flat, I'm going to line this up, this bottom piece, on this bottom line with the rest of it too, making sure it is as centered as I can get it before I lay it down. There we go. And that's how I do it. And get the bubbles out of it. And I got some tape on it just to hold that little thing in place. But it's okay because it'll be on the top side of it. And then I'll just put it on a shirt just like that. Okay, I finished this shirt. So I'm going to package it up. Okay, I finished this t-shirt. So very nice. Okay, I have the last of my last orders and my freebies. So I'm going to put these in the machine and let these run. Then I'll weed them and then I will bag everything up and take it to the post office. So, okay, I'm sending that. And my third order is part of that one. And then the 2 freebies for my t-shirts. But what they got a bunch of planner stickers. They got my days of the week, and then the days of the week with the days of the month, And then they got my heart dividers. They got my dots. They got 2 of those, one in the clear and then one in the matte white paper. And then they got some kits, my June planner kits, the boxes. So that's all that they got. So I'm going to put this all together in a bag and get it ready, and then just wait on the binder that they ordered as well. And then for that freebie, I'm giving them some dot stickers. And then the only other thing that I have to do today is I need to print some more stickers to go on the back of my envelopes. And oh, I ordered a shirt, and I hope you guys can hear me with that freaking thing on. I ordered a shirt from my shop. I did some outsourcing of my shirts, and I don't know if I'm going to stick with that or not, but so I wanted to order a shirt to see what they look like. So let's pull the shirt out and view it and see exactly what it looks like. So this is what I got. This is one of the shirts on my website. It's a thin. It's a Bella Canvas though. But this is so large, and it's the shirt that can, they say hang off your shoulder, but I don't think the neck seems wide enough for that. But it's a cute little shirt. Could have made it myself, but I just wanted to get the quality of it. And I know the Bella Canvas shirts are very nice. So I want to get it in a long sleeve and try it out. Because they let us order, like whatever we put on their shop, they actually let us order samples of it. So this is my sample. Oh, and it got ridge sleeves. Did not know that. It got ridges in it. Oh, so this is a big kind of shirt. It's a wide neck though. This is a very nice quality shirt. So if you see these on my site, on my shop, and you like them, here they are. Invest in them. And it's not vinyl, it is the what is it, DTR? Direct to garment, DTG. Direct to garment, where it's spray painted on there with the machine. Really like it. I want one of these machines, so eventually I'm going to have one, and I'm not going to have to outsource. So anyway, that's it for that. After that finishes, I'm going to finish up my packing and then run to the post office. Right now I'm going to print the rest of my labels, and yeah, that's it. So I'll be back. Packages are ready to go to the post office. Okay guys, I went to the post office and came back. I don't know if I picked up the camera. I mean, I used the camera since then, but I loaded, I created my stickers for my packaging, and I just put them on one sheet and I just cut them out. I don't even know why I cut them. Well, I gotta cut them and cut the stickers, but I mean the outline. But anyway, I made two different sheets, so that's all. I designed these a while ago. They're actually on my shop. I sell them, so if you watching this and you don't have an Etsy shop and you want to order something, and you have, and you have an Etsy shop or something, but you don't do stickers, and you want your logo or something, I create these stickers, $5 a sheet. If you send your logo, I will add your logo to it, put whatever you want, whatever color, font, whatever you want on here, and design it how you want to, and get the stickers. The stickers are, I think they're 1.5 inch rounds. So they're on my shop. Just click in the description box below for my Etsy shop. You'll see them on there. So yeah, that is it. I got hungry, so I'm eating some curry potatoes that I made, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I actually have a conference at 7, so I need to get ready for that. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Check out my prior videos, the prior few days. I'm trying to load a video every single day. I haven't missed one yet. Sometimes they're late getting up, sometimes they're not, but they're getting up. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye bye.